In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Twilio with HubSpot so you can send SMS, make calls, and automate communication directly from your CRM. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside, head to the top navigation bar and click on the Marketplace icon. Then select App Marketplace. This is where you'll find all official integrations. In the search bar, type Twilio and look for the official app. Make sure it's published by Twilio or HubSpot to ensure reliability. Once you find it, click Install App to begin the setup. Next, HubSpot will ask you to approve permissions. Take a moment to review what access the app needs, then continue. After that, you'll be prompted to connect your Twilio account. Now switch to your Twilio dashboard and copy your account SID and auth token. These are your secure credentials that allow HubSpot to connect with Twilio. Paste them into the required fields in HubSpot and confirm the connection. Once connected, you'll move into the configuration stage. Here you can select which Twilio phone numbers to use, assign permissions to your team members, and decide how communication like calls and messages should be logged in HubSpot. Take a moment to set this up based on your workflow. For example, you might allow your sales team to send SMS while support handles calls. You can always adjust these settings later. When everything looks good, click Save or Finish to complete the integration. From now on, your Twilio activity will sync with HubSpot, allowing you to track conversations, automate outreach, and manage communication more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Twilio with HubSpot, unlocking powerful communication features right inside your CRM.